I look bald today. Good morning and welcome back to Itsemgeee. It's me, Emily. It is Tuesday the 7th of April and we are in Sydney, but this time today we're off to Manley. We're going to get the ferry, we're going to go have a little chill out on the beach, have a wander around and then come back and we're meeting my friend Molly, so let's go. We walked, we've made it to the cruise. Actual cruise ship in it. That's massive. Although, just funny, one of the girls that I used to work with works on cruise ships. That one, which walked past her in the street. Which is funny. She said hello. I said hello. I was like, hee. Oh god, oh yeah. Made it to the beach. We've had enough at the beach, we're hungry, so we come to Norman's for a sandwich. How good does that look? Oh, that was a good cry. We've finished in Manley, we've had that lovely dinner, sandwich, and now it's back home to do some, back into Sydney. We're going to do a bit of shopping because I need some shoes for the wedding. Hello, it's our last morning in Sydney. We're heading off to Griffith today. I didn't pick up the camera last night because I wasn't feeling the best. But I still went to see Molly. It was really nice to see her. It was just nice and chilled. We had an Italian, had a little chat and then came home and went to bed. But I don't think I'm going to film from now. We'll see. Probably not. Just because it's Hannah's friend's wedding and I don't want to be like, hello! That way you do with the camera. But yeah, if I don't see you, I'll pick you up after Griffith. Probably on the way home. Hope you enjoy! Hello. Surprise. We have been back from the land of Down Under for a couple of weeks. I hope you have been enjoying the vlogs. Me and Hannah really enjoyed making them. It was a great time. Oh man, I've just seen a cobweb. Oh, just in the light. But yeah, I've come on to say thanks for watching. Sorry, it was just a kind of stop to the end of the video. I was going to, I knew I wasn't going to film when I was there, because like it's like not my event. It's I don't like hello, here's a camera. Yes, it was a lovely time. It was like a 3-day wedding. It was in the proper outback. I'll think for a few what it was like when we landed. So it was like proper outback. My camera's flashing at me. Didn't plan this very well. And then great time, and then we just headed home. I was gonna film the flight home, but one of the girls that was at the wedding was flying back with us. I didn't want to be like, don't really like vlogging in front of people I know, so that was like a no-go. But it was actually quite a rush. Our flight from where the wedding was, in a little place called Griffith, our flight was delayed a couple of hours, which means we had to run, and I mean run, to check in to our next flight in Sydney, which turns out that was also delayed. So we then missed our connecting flight in Dubai. So we went to Glasgow. I was like, we'll fly anywhere north. So they got us on a flight 6 hours later to Manchester. So we ended up having to stay in Manchester for the night to then get home. It was a whole ordeal. I was going to film. I was like, I don't have time. And what are you going to watch? Me sitting on a flight for like 13 hours and then 8 hours. So I was like, I'll just end it. But hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Hannah's not here, that's her room. So highlight of the trip, I actually need to go, I've got work, but you know. Highlight of the trip was obviously the wedding. Actually I'll put a photo of me and Hannah here. The wedding, Great Barrier Reef flight was unreal. Too many Yorkshires, which is exciting because Yorkshire is opening in the UK, which means me and Hannah might have a London trip. You will see a London trip next with Harry Styles, but obviously that's filmed before it opens, which is sad. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week for Harry Styles. Well, our London trip. Harry Styles is also included, but you know me and Hannah, we do love a bit of food, so there will be lots of food included. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Also please like, comment, subscribe, hype, that's a new thing. But yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.